Hey, this is Rich from housebarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses, and today we're going to show you how to use a snowblower. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Alright, so what we have here is the Toro 721E snowblower. And I must say I absolutely love this particular model. It's got a 21-inch width and it can clear a medium-sized driveway pretty fast. We're going to put our Amazon affiliate link in the description below. You can click on the link, order it right from Amazon, and they'll ship it to you for the next snowfall. Alright, so here's the gas tank, and you want to use fresh gas. Don't use gas that's been stored like all summer or anything like that. But use fresh gas, and on this particular snowblower you don't have to mix it with oil or anything. And use a high octane gas, 87 or higher. Okay, around in the back is where you check the oil. So it's got this little dipstick here in the back. You just unscrew it, wipe that clean, insert it, and we're good. And if you need it to add oil, you can just tip it forward a little bit to raise it up, and it's easy to add. But you're not supposed to tip it all the way forward, otherwise fuel could leak out. Okay, I'm going to start the snowblower in just a minute, but once I start it, it's going to be hard to hear, so I just wanted to show you a couple things about the chute now. It's got two adjustments on it, and it's really cool. So this lever here moves the whole chute, and I can direct the snow. The snow is going to shoot about 15-20 feet, and I can direct it any direction I want it to go. And then there's a second adjustment up here. So if I want it to go on a sharper angle, I can put it like that. If I want it to go straight, I can push it back that way. So, and if you can just use it a little while, and if you don't like how the snow is being thrown, then just make an adjustment. It's no big deal. Okay, so here on the back of the snowblower, this is the choke right here, and we're just going to pull it out, put the ignition to the on position, which is a quarter turn clockwise to the right, prime 3 times. Alright, to stop that, all I had to do was turn this ignition switch back to a vertical position, and now it has stopped. This model has 2 options of starting. One, you can just pull the starter cord, and then second way is we've got electric starter here, so all we have to do is plug in a cord and then hit this button, and then we'll start her up. By plugging in the cord, this snowblower will almost always start no matter how cold it is outside. So my tip to you, if you're getting a snowblower like this one, it'll cost more to have that feature where you can plug in an electric cord and do an electric start, but I'm telling you, on cold days it is well worth it to have one that you know is going to start. It's definitely worth the extra money. Don't cheap out. You're saving money by doing your driveway yourself anyway. All right, I'm going to use this electric start. It's pretty cool, usually works well. So we're just going to put the ignition into the on position, prime 3 times. Pulling out the choke. Alright, so this is the electric starter button right here. I'm just going to hold it for about 5 seconds to see if it'll start. And if it doesn't, then I'm going to wait 10 seconds and try it again. You can do that about 8 to 10 times. And then at that point you give up and try the other method. Here we go. Okay, so one deal is ice and snow can build up right in there. You don't want to reach your hand in there because that could bring you to a trip to the emergency room. So if you've got ice or snow buildup, you can just reach in there with a stick or a pole or something and clean it off, and you're good to go. So as I was using the snowblower, you could probably see I constantly was turning the chute depending on where I wanted to throw the snow. And on this model, it is so easy to turn it, it's no big deal at all. The other item I wanted to mention is this is what's controlling the snowblower blades. So when I pull that toward the handle, it will engage the blades down there and they'll throw the snow. And so if I want to stop throwing snow, all I have to do is release this handle and it goes back to that position. So that would engage it, that would disengage it. All right, so that's all there is to it. I would definitely recommend getting a snowblower to just about anybody, because if you spend a day shoveling, it kind of wears your back out. So with a snowblower, you're still getting the steps, but you're not going to the chiropractor. So anyway, if you got anything out of the video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe, because we have a ton of home improvement videos coming out shortly. Thanks for viewing. Well, this snow isn't letting up anytime soon, so it looks like I'll have one more opportunity to use the snowblower tonight.